doing the review on. Right now, you can't tell, but I'm looking back at my house. I can see my truck. I can see my shop. I can see the top of my house. I can kind of see the driveway. But when I turn these lights on, I can really see the driveway. I can see all the way up to the driveway. Pretty bright for these lights here, I gotta say. Hey, I wonder if there's any deer that we can go scare. Let's come around over here. Okay. We'll cut through here. See if there's any wildlife. Nope, no wildlife. But right there in front of us is my deer feeder. This is going to be a bumpy, jittery video. Yep. Oh, there's some wildlife right there. See them? Let me get right here. And they ran off. That's the barking wildlife that's out here. Actually, it's my neighbor's dogs. But this field right here is where all the deer come for the feeder. They come about 20 minutes after it goes off. We can have up to like 9 to 10 deer out here. Guess we'll drive around the yard here. I just wanted to make a video to show you how bright these lights are. They are pretty doggone bright. Here we can drive into the shop. Wow. It's pretty bright in here. I mean, yeah, pretty bright in here. Well, I thought I'd just make a short video. Hey, these lights are bright. I mean, they're lighting me up here. That's pretty doggone bright. Here, let me show you what it looks like. Those are pretty bright. Really bright. They do throw out a lot of light. Here's what they look like with the lights off. You've seen this in the final video of the paint thing on this golf cart. But they're just a really bright LED light. This is the kit. These are by Zmoon. I don't know, sounds pretty cool, I guess. They're bright enough you could probably see to the moon. But they are, it calls it an LED light bar. Comes with this wiring harness, has a relay, a switch, an inline fuse, all the wiring to wire these up correctly. Not like traditional lights that some people get and just put a switch in there. Seems like it always either burns the lights up or the wires burn up. But it's got a relay on it. I don't know if you can see it right there or not. But it's right there, got it screwed to the frame. Comes up, hooks into the battery. There's the inline fuse right there. Comes over here, it's got this plug-in part here on the harness. It's got a switch. Oh, can you see it right there with the little red light? Yeah. Comes with a switch on there. I just have it coming underneath the seat. No problems there getting mashed. I can just kind of coiled those wires up because they're like pretty small wires. Rest of the wiring comes up. I just got it coming through the, just drilled some holes there. Got the wire coming up through there into the light. Well, everyone, thanks for watching. Just a little update here on the lights. I thought I'd go ahead and make a review on them. I don't use them a lot. I don't really drive around out here in the dark a lot, but hey, when I need to, I got lights. I can go look. I'll leave a link to these lights down in the description. You know, this might be something you're looking for your truck, your golf cart, you know, whatever you have out there. This is the light to get, I would say. They're bright. I haven't had no problems with them. There is a little red light that stays on with the switch. And I thought it might run the battery down on the cart, but it doesn't. And I don't have the greatest battery on this cart either, so that's saying a lot right there. Well, thanks for watching, everyone. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and until next time, see ya!